in production. In today's project, I will show you how I complete my this project amplifier. There is amplifier project. In previous video, I made this project, but I not complete this project. So in today's project, I will show you how I complete this project, and this is just about testing and how I complete this project. Now let's get started. Friend, there is amplifier. I connect all these wires. There is 12 volt battery and there is 12 volt battery adapter. There is amplifier kit. I connect this. I done already all connected these wire in previous video. If you want to see that video, link in description. You can watch this. There is Bluetooth module. You can see this. Bluetooth module operate on 5 volt. So there is 5 volt battery. You can see this. And there is button wire. There is amplifier button and there is Bluetooth wire. Now let's time for testing. And let's connect this speaker. First we will need to turn on. You can see this is turned on. Friend, for testing I am using NCS sound. So friends, that's all about my amplifier project. I hope you will enjoy this project. If you enjoy this project, subscribe, like and share.